This is 2012 Infinity G37X. We're going to change out the fog light. The other side is broken. Basically damaged. We're going to change that. We're going to remove all these 10 mils. There are two 10 mils, one of them was so rusted, so we decided to just take the screw out from back of the fog light. This is old one. The screw that was holding on the back was so rusted it broke off, so we're just gonna have another 10 mil replacement on it. I don't know why he's changing it. It's such a nice light. We couldn't remove one of the bolts here, so we end up just pushing this splash guard back, break off the rusted nut bolt, and put a new bolt along with new fog light. This side is a little bit more difficult because there is a windshield washer fluid reservoir here. So there is no space like the other side is, so you have to do it from underneath. Once you take the bottom panel out, you can reach the 8 mil bolt, same thing. It broke off, it's rusted. So we just got the light out, put new bolt on it.